Welcome back to another video. We got the intruder alarm, fire alarm, actually, fire alarm there. And then we got the security alarm and then the fire panel to test. So, just so you know, these are paper, they don't work at all, just so you know. We got the New York City background. That one over there. So without further ado, let's just start testing them. So first I want to start off with this one. You just simply pull down, just like this. So the alarm went off. Let's just say I tapped it in. And let's just say I turned it off. So now it's time to test this one. Snack. Now lift this up. The alarm ain't going off. Turn off alarm. Now I'm gonna reset the alarm at the end. Next is an Edwards one. Pull. It says fire alarm, pull in case of fire. This one says lift, then pull handle. This one says pull down. Pull in case of fire. I had to write red right there because it's pink. Because the other one I was retaping it, but it whipped. So 3, 2, 1. That right there is actually a simplex one. And last, this one. You just do this. Now it's time to lift this up. Click. Now it's time to reset this alarm and that alarm. So you just pull down the handle and lift the flap and then it's reset. And then with this one, just remove this, lifting it up like that. Then you just do that. You're gonna have to act. I don't make it look like it's spring loaded. I'm right-handed, but I'm using my left hand. So after that, so that's all what we're doing in this video. And also I'm gonna have to lock back up the security alarm. So and now since it's reset, so that's all what there is for this video. And as always, peace.